Nothing mad doing this today. I've had a stinker so far. I left the house and I forgot my fishing vest and I forgot my bag with my fishing gear in it, all my lures and all that. And I had to be with me at the time and I had to turn back, get my stuff and then head out. It's a bit windier than I thought it'd be today, so if you get a bit of wind interference through the clip, then apologies just now, but it's out of my control. So I've come back to St Mary's Loch, where I was last week. Two main reasons for that, or the one main reason I go anywhere with the kayak is I like the proximity for where you can get a van or a car, you know, with it's on the roof, to actually getting into the water itself. It's just really, really close. And two would probably be the fact that the volume of fish I caught last week. It was, must have been about 8 fish in total within a space of, I would say 3 hours, and I would say that'd be quite generous. I didn't even think it was as long as that. Just 6 perch and a couple of pike. But that's, I mean, for me that's a lot when it comes to a loch. I mean, you look at the size of a loch. If it's in a canal or if you're in a river, you know, the numbers are maybe not a bad day's fishing. But for me personally, catching that in a loch in that amount of time is quite good. So I've come back here today. So yeah, let's get cracking. I'll set off, I'll give you a quick rundown of what the kayak's all about. It's a Galaxy kayak. It's actually the first time I've been out in it since I made the channel. But I've got a lanyard that I keep on with my rod holder is, so I don't lose that. That would be a bit of a disaster. There's 2 watertight holds. This one is where I keep my tracking fin. That goes under the that slips onto the underside of the kayak. Keeps you steady in the water. There's one at the front as well, which I keep another longer lanyard for when I attach it when I'm on land, so it doesn't drift away. There's 4 rod holders where you can keep your nets and stuff in. As I've showed you before, I called the thing Slim Dog. That's actually named after the dog I used to have before he died. So that was really in honour of him. So that's really what the kayak's about. I'm going to stick my water shoes on. I'm going to get out here and give this a go. Cheese salad roll. Got a cut with them. No cooking today. Soft rolls, but soft rolls. Never had any crispy ones left. That is disappointing, but it will still be it. This wind's hellish. I kayaked for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and I was just getting absolutely soaked. It was really choppy. I'm not going to fish for I'm not fishing for a kayak today, no chance. So I'm patiently waiting on the woman who dishes out the permits to come over and sort me out, and I'll probably just head back over to where I was last week, see if I can catch any pike. But I tried, but it's no good. I actually got the tracking fin ripped off. I got blew in to shallows that I couldn't see underneath. I could hear a kind of grumbling noise, and sure enough, the tracking fin got kind of ripped off. I can put it back on again, but it goes to show you how I'm kind of not really in full control of what's going on out there. I'm just getting kind of blown about and soaked and what have you. So land fishing it is. Last week's perch. Fly! Now that I'm fishing from land, I've got a perch that I caught last week in the end on my trace. There's these guys going in for a paddle. Good luck. And my van with the kayak just perched upside down under the rear end. Guys are all bit. See, it's still quite choppy. It's a lot better, a lot easier to catch fish with a kayak when the water's calm. A hell of a lot easier when you're trolling and stuff. If you're coming up this way into the wind and into the waves, you don't really make much progress. Suppose you could come up, turn round and kind of use the waves in your advantage and kind of surf them a wee bit. But, too much for a Monday. So let's see how this goes. Right, so I've come down a wee bit further. I was up there fishing for about an hour. Not even a nibble. Not a single bite. So I had a cut of a smelt. I brought with me that I've had for a while. They're not in the best shape, so I've just threw them in. See if I can get them excited, maybe. I don't know. I'm not getting up yet. I paid for the permit, so I'm going to get my worth out of it. Can't leave it too late though. I need to get home and take the dog out. So 2:10. I'll probably stay at about 4. And I've got work tonight. Usual Monday night shift routine. Oh, hang on. False alarm. Don't believe it, man! Fuck right off. That was a bite. That was a proper bite. Oh man, well, I got a bite. And I think I went for it too quick. Strike too early. I don't think I get enough time to take a bait. I definitely had a bite. That went mental there. I don't know if I caught it on the GoPro, I don't know if I pressed the button in time. So I'm a wee bit happier about where I am if they seem to be here. I hope I just didn't spook them away with that. I just wish I gave it more time. Oh. Patiently waiting. This reminds me a wee bit of the video I done at the Ardent Pits. your way. The wind has died down somewhat. And I probably could go out in the kayak, but if this was yesterday I would definitely, but I just don't have the time anymore. But you've just got to be patient, and it's usually the last cast or you just never know. You can't really deny how beautiful this place is. Even on a cloudy day, it still takes your breath away. I feel very privileged to live in Scotland. And my bait alarm annoying me again. I'm more grabbing that until I see that go crazy. Until I see that the tip of that rod jumping. That's when I'll get up. But as I was saying, beautiful country. The road coming in here, you come off the A74, you go through Moffat, and then you kind of head up towards Selkirk's up in that direction. But a lot of the times when you go through roads, when the roads are made, they usually try and cut them into the terrain. It's almost doing that, try and make the road as straight as possible, but I find they don't really have that coming up here. The roads just seem to take the shape of the hills and the bends and all that sort of stuff, which kind of explains why you see so many motorbikes about here. It's obviously a biker's paradise. Again. Can't believe that, man. I gave it time that time. Well, it only went and happened again, Second loss. Oh, wait a minute. I gave it time. When I pulled it in and I looked at the marks on the perch, and it was bite marks in between the two hooks, with one at the tail, one at the top end, and it almost looked as if it had dragged its teeth. That's what it looked like. But obviously it bit its back, and then when I've pulled it, it's let go. But there's a fine line there. You don't want to leave it too long. You don't want to be pulling a pike and it's deep hooked, and you're just struggling. Nobody wants to stick their hand in a pike's mouth. Balancing act, isn't it? Can't believe that, man. Two. And that's probably about 20 minutes between them, something like that. I'm in this time. Sick of this. Honest to God, man. Chucked it. Pike free. Stuart now. Thanks for watching. If you've got this far, thanks for watching my very disappointing day. But nothing's really disappointing when you're outdoors. That's the way I see it. It is what it is. At least I'm honest. Right guys, that's it. I'm going to have a quick cup of tea, change into my trainers, and that'll be me the next time. Bye bye.